Is Loora app the way to go in 2026? Learning English isn't easy. You can memorize words and grammar rules, but when it's time to actually speak, everything changes. That's exactly what Loora AI promises to fix. It calls itself your personal AI English coach, helping you speak fluently, confidently, and naturally. But is it really the best app for 2026 or just another overhyped language tool? Let's find out. From the moment you open Loora, it feels professional and clean. No clutter, no complicated menus, just you and your AI coach. After signing up, it asks about your goals. Do you want to improve your pronunciation, prepare for a job interview, or simply sound more natural in conversations? Based on that, it builds a personalized learning plan tailored to your needs. Now here's what makes Loora different. Instead of giving you boring scripts or flashcards, it talks to you like a real conversation. You can discuss anything: your hobbies, travel, work, or everyday life. The AI listens, responds instantly, and corrects your mistakes in real time. It feels surprisingly natural, like chatting with a human tutor, who never gets tired or judgmental. The real-time feedback system is one of Loora's best features. As you speak, it evaluates your pronunciation, grammar, and fluency, and gives quick corrections that actually make sense. It doesn't just say wrong, it shows you how to say it better with examples and context. That's what helps you move from textbook English to real English. What's also impressive is how personalized the learning feels. The more you talk, the better the AI understands your weak spots and adapts future lessons to fix them. If you often mix verb tenses, Loora brings that up more often in conversation. If you need help with business English, it shifts the tone to match that style. The voice is another highlight. Loora offers several natural-sounding voices with different accents, and they're all expressive, not robotic. You can practice with American or British pronunciation, depending on your preference. Loora also tracks your progress with detailed stats. It shows how your pronunciation, fluency, and vocabulary improve over time, which can be really motivating if you like to see results. When it comes to pricing, Loora uses a subscription model. It's not free, but compared to hiring a private tutor, it's much more affordable. For people who want unlimited practice without scheduling lessons or dealing with time zones, it's a great deal. Technically, the app performs well. It runs smoothly, doesn't lag, and recognizes speech accurately, even with strong accents. All conversations are private and encrypted, which is good news for anyone worried about data privacy. Of course, Loora isn't perfect. Sometimes the AI can misunderstand rare words or repeat a response, and it's not made for grammar-heavy study or test prep. It's a speaking coach, and that's where it shines. For most learners, that's exactly what's missing. Loora gives you real conversation practice, which builds the confidence traditional apps can't. Instead of memorizing rules, you're actually using the language, and that's how fluency happens. So, is Loora AI worth it in 2026? Definitely. If your goal is to improve your English speaking skills and sound more natural, Loora is one of the best tools you can use. It's smart, personal, and genuinely fun to talk to Dot in a world full of generic learning apps. Loora stands out because it adapts to you, your voice, your goals, and your progress. It's like having a personal English coach right in your pocket. If you're serious about getting fluent this year, Loora might just be the push you need. And if this review helped you, share it with someone who's also learning English, because language is about connection, and Loora makes that easier than ever.